Hello people, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and well at your homes. Today I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be a recreation video, a recreation of Khurana, a well-known vlogger since so long, and she was the first vlogger. I get to know what blogger actually means. मतलब blogger क्या होता है? She defines so perfectly. Starting से ही उसे देखते आ रही हूँ, and I felt like I should recreate one of her looks, which I really loved. So this is the recreation of her look, which I recreated. So this is this look here. Yes, so this I have recreated and I have tried my level best. First of all, she has the best skin. Matlab, she really don't need any highlighter. She really don't need any makeup by the way. But the way she put on her makeup, it's like it's just made for her. लगता ही नहीं कि उसकी स्किन पे कुछ है. इतना subtle and everything so seamless, flawless. Everything, the way she carries herself, the way she do her makeup, the way she carries her clothes, the way she, everything she do is just amazing, and I'm a really big fan of her. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video and let's see how I recreated this look of Khurana.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So that's it for today's video. If you want any more recreations on any of celebrity look or any vloggers look, you can tell me in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. This will mean a lot to me. Bye bye, see ya till next video.